It's so cold because of the snow. You are here, moving in our midst. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, working in this place. I worship you. I worship you. The lake over there turned out to be like a snow. It's already icy. And the trees, no more leaves. Going inside. Going inside is so cold. Crazy cold outside. I'm cold. You see, I go out like this.
Deuces.
Go out just like this. So cold. What do you say outside this morning? What is the temperature? What is the temperature this morning?